This conference will now be recorded.
So yesterday we understood about data structures. What is list we understood, what is tuple we understood, what is set we understood, right? And list and tuple almost same. We can say tuple is a read-only list. So how to make the list and list memory model. The same thing is tuple memory model. How to access elements of the list using index, positive index and negative index, and iterating the list using while loop using positive index, while loop using negative index, for loop. This all we understood. As well, same thing we discussed with the tuple also. But a set does not support index, so we can use only for loop. While loop is not possible because set does not support index. So let us continue list and tuple today. List operations. Further we continue with the list. Just observe in this example, this is my list lst1. This is the list. I am reading 5 indexed element. What is 5 indexed element? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 indexed element 88. I am assigning a new value to the 5 indexed element. I am what happens earlier, the 5 indexed element is referencing the object 88. That link has been disconnected and now it is referencing the object 56. The new link is established for the 5 indexed element. That way it can be modified. This is possible only with the list. This is not possible with tuple because tuple is immutable. It is read only. Len function gives you length of the list. So if the index is not available, it gives error index out of range. This already we understood yesterday. See, append method, list dot append method. Append method is used to add a new element into the list. Append method is used to add a new element into the list. Sorry. This is LST2. This is LST2. How many elements are there? 5 elements are there. 3, 9, 4, 6, 8. Here I am using append method. I am adding a new element to the list 2. So the new item is added at the ending as a last indexed item, right hand side. The new element is added. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the new element is added as a 5 indexed element. Okay. This is append method. This append method is possible only with the list. It is not possible with tuple because tuple is immutable. It is read only. As well, insert method. Of course, append method always add the new item at the ending. Suppose I want to insert the new item at the middle at the specified location. Just you see, three index, insert at 3 index. So 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the location 3 index. At this location, I want to insert a value 75. The object I want to insert. So for that, you use insert method. Here you see at the place of 3 index location, the new item 75 is inserted. Append method always add at the ending. Insert method is used to insert at the middle at the specified index location. This is insert method. Next, this is list 3, list object LST3. Pop method is used to remove an item from the list and returns the removed element. Pop method is used to remove an item from the list and returns the removed element. Now here pop method is default. I am not specifying any index. LST3.pop method. By default, pop method removes the last item in the list. As well, it returns the removed item. So the value, whatever is returned by the pop, I am capturing in the variable R that I am printing here. So it will remove the last element. So the 5 is removed. After removing, this is the remaining list LST3. You can specify the index for the pop method. You can specify index for the pop method. Which indexed item you want to remove, that you can specify. This is not value, this is index. 4 indexed item should be removed by the pop method. So by default, it removes the last item. If you specify the index, the specified indexed item gets deleted. So 4 indexed 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4 indexed element that's get deleted. Of course, the nature of the pop method is returns the removed element that I am capturing in the variable R that I am printing here for our information. Just you see, the 8 is removed. 4 indexed item, 8 is gone. Okay. This is append method, insert method, and pop method. There is one more method here, that is remove method. See, 9 indexed item I am trying to remove, but 9 indexed item is not available. So pop method gives an error, index error, pop index out of range because the specified index is not available in the list. This is list LST4. This is my list object. Remove method search for the value and deletes first occurrence of the value. Here I want to delete 99. So it search for 99. Yes, 99 is available here. You may be having multiple occurrences of the value, but it doesn't disturb the multiple occurrences. It removes only first occurrence of the value. So what is the difference between pop method and remove method? Pop method deletes the specified indexed item. Remove method works based on value. Search for the given value and deletes first occurrence of the value. Here 99 is deleted if you observe. So remove 12. So where is 12? Here is 12. First occurrence of 12 is here. This will be get removed. This is the remove method. Pop method works based on index. Remove method works based on value. Pop method returns the deleted item. Remove method does not return anything like that. So this is append method, insert method, pop method, and a remove method. Already in the string functions, we understood the count function. In the string object, we understood count function. Count function counts number of occurrences of the value, number of occurrences of the given value. See here, this is LST4. I'm printing the length. Count of 11. How many times 11 is there? Here is 1. Here is 1. And here is another one, 3 times. Remove 11. So first occurrence is removed, right? So totally 15 elements are there. Out of 15 elements, 3 occurrences of the 11. So first occurrence is deleted using remove method. Because I am searching for the 11, first occurrence of the 11 is removed. This is remove method. If you are trying to remove a value, in case that value does not available in the list, it gives value error. Using remove method, you are trying to remove a value. In case the value is not available, it gives an error, that is value error. This is what about remove method. I hope all of you understand append method, insert method, pop method, remove method, how to modify a particular element in the list. But these all operations are not possible on tuple. It is only possible on a list. This is a simple logic about the list. Of course, this program you can operate, this logic you can operate on a list or tuple anywhere. Because here I'm reading only, I'm not modifying the list. Find the biggest value in the given list of numbers. Find the biggest number in the given list of numbers. This is a simple logic. This is the list. I'm printing what is the list, what is the length. Big is a variable, third party variable. Initially LST1 of 0, 0th indexed element I'm taking into big. So here I'm iterating the list object using for loop. Initially I value is 3. Inside the for loop I'm checking the condition, big is less than I, 3 is less than 3. No, condition is not satisfied. So go to the next iteration. This time I value is 9. 3 is less than 9. Yes, condition is true. So that I value is assigned to big. So big will become 9. Next iteration, I value is 14. Next value is the iteration variable 14. Yes, big is 9. 9 is less than 14. Condition true. So I value assigned to big. Next, I value is 6. 14 is less than 6. No, condition is not satisfied. Next, I value is 8. 14 is less than 8. No, condition is not satisfied. Next, I value is 7. Still condition is not satisfied. Next, I value is 4. Condition is not satisfied. Next, I value is 23. Condition is satisfied. So I value assigned to big. Big is 23. Next, I value is 5. Okay. Still condition is not satisfied. So what is the biggest number? 23 is the biggest number. This is a simple logic to find the biggest number in the given list of values. This is about. So here you observe the fruits is a list. Fruits is a list. Here we are going to see enumerate function. This enumerate function gives you enumerate object. Enumerate function gives you enumerate object. You can observe in IDLE. I'll show you in IDLE. This is the list. Fruits. This is the list. So something A is equal to enumerate function, enumerate of fruits. Enumerate function returns enumerate object. What is A? Enumerate object. What type of object it is? It is enumerate class. Enumerate object is a collection object. You can iterate the enumerate object. The enumerate object contains tuples. It is collection of tuples. Each tuple contains a serial number generated and one by one element taken from the list. Okay, this is the list. Enumerate function generates the enumerate object. The enumerate object includes tuples. It generates the serial numbers. Serial number generation begin from 0. So first element, this is going to be a tuple. 0 is the same serial number. Apple is the first element. Next one is the serial number. Orange is the second element. It is just like as simple as token numbers are given to you. If you go to hospital, if the so many number of patients are waiting for the doctor visiting, then obviously they note your name and give you a serial number, token number, right? As simple as that. In the banks also will get the token number. That is what serial number generated associated with the actual value, right? So banana is the value, 2 is the serial number generated, 3 is the serial number generated, peach is the value. This both together it made it as a tuple, so on, right? Like this. So enumerate object is collection object. It is collection of tuples. Just let us iterate the enumerate object. See here, x is equal to enumerate of fruits. Print x type of x. It is an enumerate object. It is enumerate class. I am iterating the enumerate object using for loop. Just I am printing individual element from the enumerate. So these are the tuples. Enumerate object is collection of tuples. It contains a serial number generated and the value taken from the list object, or of course it can be a list, or it can be a tuple, or it can be any collection object. By default, serial number generation begin from 0. Of course, you can specify your own beginning point. I want to start generating serial number begin from 25. Now you see how your enumerate object is. Enumerate object contains the serial number generation begin from 25. So it is tuples. This tuple contains only two values. First value is generated serial number. Second value is value taken from the collection object. Right? This is enumerate object. Here, how many values are there in my tuple? First iteration, I am getting tuple here. This is the tuple. Only two values are there in the tuple. Second iteration, I am getting one more tuple that contains two values only. Next iteration, I contains only two values that contains another tuple, right? Two values only, right? So in this for loop, I am giving two iteration variables. So first value go to first variable, second value goes to second variable. Just observe what is the value of the n, what is the value of the v. So here I'm unpacking these values, This is enumerate function. Of course, enumerate function you can operate on any collection object, either list or tuple, any. This is enumerate function. I hope all of you understand this much. Any questions so far? Modifying the element of the list, append function, insert function, pop function, remove function, and as well enumerate function, these all. Now look at this program, look at this for loop. Here my question is, due to this for loop, Sai Shravanti, list is a collection of items, list or tuple or anything. Let you assume there are 10 items are there in the list. For each element, we do assign a token number, serial number. So the item from the list and generated token number both together, it make it as a tuple. Like that, how many elements are there in the list, that many tuples it will generate. Okay, this all together is the enumerate object that is generated by the enumerate function. By default, it generates a serial number starting from 0. Okay. Of course, you can specify your own starting point. Okay. That is actually enumerate function. See, those programs I gave here also, data structures, lists. See here, learn function, pop method. Whatever I have shown you in the Jupyter notebook, those all programs I have given in the form of programs. Remove, remove method. So find the biggest number in given list. Here, this is using for loop. This is using while loop. Okay. So look at this program. All of you, please go through this program. Concentrate on this for loop. My question is, due to this for loop, is the original list gets modified? You have to walk through this program and try to analyze this program and tell me, due to this for loop, is the original list get modified? Is it get updated? That is my question. What do you say? I'm iterating list using for loop. I is the iteration variable. I'm multiplying I into I. So 3 into 3, 9 into 9, 14 into 14, like that. I'm assigning to variable R. I'm printing that R. Of course, it prints. But after completion of the for loop, the list is as it is. Original list doesn't get modified. Finally, your list is as it is. Within the for loop, the calculation has been done that I am printing. This is okay, fine. Now you tell me, if I write like this, what happens? Is the original list get modified? Please think about it and tell me. Is the original list get modified or not? Please someone reply here. I is just a variable. It is referencing the different values and switching between the different values, but using this reference variable I, we are not able to modify the original elements of the list. So in this case also, original list not get modified. Now you observe this, here I am using while loop. Variable I am using for the index, lst1 of I, index value, lst1 of I into I. So I am doing like this. Here I am directly accessing the element of the list using its index, one by one element within the while loop. So due to this loop, the original list gets modified. See here, original list is get modified. This is actually list before while loop. After while loop, this is the list. Original list gets updated, modified. This is only possible with the list. It is not possible with tuple because tuple doesn't allow modification, right? Similarly, you see enumerate function I am using. Already I told you enumerate function generates an enumerate object. Enumerate object is iterable. Okay, it generates the serial number. You can start the serial number from your own beginning point. Otherwise, by default, enumerate function generates starting from 0. Here you can specify your own starting point, starting from 25. Okay, that you can do. Now I'm using enumerate function. It generates the enumerate object. By default, it generates a serial number starting from 0. So whenever it is starting from 0, it is compatible to index of the list. So this is how actually enumerate function contains the collection. Okay. So here I am giving two iteration variables. So first value go to first iteration variable I, second value go to second iteration variable V, 3 into 3, LST1 of I is 0, I am using as an index. So this logic, list of I, so and so indexed element I am assigning value, so it will modify the original list in this case. Here the serial number generated by the enumerate function that is beginning with 0, so that is compatible to the index that I am using as an index to operate the list. So in this program, the original list gets modified. Okay. Now you look at this. Look at this program. This is LST1 list. I am printing what is LST1, what is the length of the LST1. The list I'm adding with a single number. I'm using plus operator. List object plus a number. This gives an error. Of course, tuple plus number also gives an error. So it is not allowed. Scalar arithmetical addition is not allowed. It gives an error. Okay. Can only concatenate list, not integer. There is an error, type error. Suppose I multiply with an integer, list object I multiply with an integer. Here the multiplication operator work as a repetition operator. That many times elements will be repeated and returns a new list object. Original list object will be as it is. It gives a new list object. 5 times these are repeated, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? If you give 3, multiply with 3, only 3 times it gets repeated. If you give 5, 5 times it gets repeated. Like this, you can do simple arithmetical operators on the list. Only multiplication is allowed, remaining operators are not allowed. Now you see, this is list 1, this is list 2. Both the list object, left operand is list object, right operand is list object. I am giving here plus symbol. This works like a concatenation operator. It concatenates elements of both the lists and gives you a new list object. Okay, plus symbol in between two lists act as a concatenation operator. I hope you understood. So already we understood this in operator, not in operator. So 8 in operator, yes, 8 is available. In operator gives you true. Not in operator gives you false. This membership operators you can operate. I hope you people know about stacks and queues. You're aware of the stacks and queues, right? What is a stack? What is a queue? Can you tell me what is stack? What is queue? Anybody? What is a stack? What is queue?
Stack is first in, first out.
Last in, first out. The same thing I can say. First in, last out also. Last in, first out is nothing but first in, last out, right? What is this? This is a stack. This is a stack. First in, first out. First in, first out. The same is nothing but last in, last out. This is what queue. I hope all of you know about this. Last in, first out, first in, last out, first in, first out, last in, last out. This you know. So this is what a stack. This is what queue. Okay. You know how complicated implementation of this stack and queue in a C, C++, Java, you people know, right? At least 200 lines of, nearly 200 lines of code is required to implement stacks and queues in your C, C++ languages. But in Python, using list object, because list is an object, it is readily available built-in object. Using list object implementation of these stacks and queues is very, very easy. Just go through this program and you tell me what is this program. Is it a stack implementation or queue implementation? You tell me. You walk through this program. A very simple program only. Try to understand this program and tell me whether it is stack or queue. It is only possible on the list. It is not possible on the tuple because here I am using pop method, append method, but tuple does not allow modifying the values, right? What is this? Whether is it a stack or is it queue? What do you say? Why here everyone is silent? Be interactive. Harshavardhan. It's Q. Append at the last. Remove at the last. So last in, first out, right? Append at the last and remove at the last element. Remove the last element. So last in, first out. What is last in, first out? That is a stack program. Is it, Harshvardhan? If you give pop, I'm not giving any index. So just run it. So this is my menu. Just first of all, I want to display. So empty list. So here I'm adding the element, adding an item 55, adding one more item 98, adding one more item 23. Now list display. So 55, 98, 23, adding one more item 78, adding one more item 43. Now display. So now if I delete 3, 43 will be get deleted. Last inserted is deleted first. Last inserted is deleted first, right? Last added is deleted first. Again I delete, 78 gets deleted. So last in, first out. This is stack implementation program. 4 is quit. This is stack implementation program. Very simple. If I give pop 0, I am deleting the 0th indexed element. The first element I am deleting. Then this program will be changed to queue implementation program. All of you understand about this? Harshvardhan, Sai Shravanti, others, Navita, Bhavyasri. So how simple it is, you see. Of course, these are just nothing, just for display the menu. Hardly we have 20, not even 20 lines of the code. Okay, totally 24 lines altogether. Stack implementation, queue implementation, very easily we can do it in Python, because list is available. List is a ready available pre-built built-in object, collection object. So with the help of list we are able to do it very easily. Now look at the program and look at the output. You try to understand. This is L1 list 1, L2 list 2. Here I am printing what is L1. This is the memory ID. What is L2? This is a memory ID. List object 1, list object 2. Append L2. I told you yesterday, list is collection of items. An item can be any Python object. It can be list also, it can be tuple also. So I'm appending a list object into the list. So the last indexed item, the list 2 is added. Now you observe what is list 1. Its ID is the same, but list 1 is modified. One more element is added. That is none other than a list. So 0th index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index. What is a 4 indexed element? 4 indexed element is nothing but list 2. Even you observe the ID. Like this, you can append any Python object into the list. It can be a list object or it can be a tuple object also. And look at this insert. Just like previous program append, I'm inserting at the middle, at the specified index location, LST2, I'm inserting. So what is 2 indexed element? That is none other than list 2, right? Extend method. This is something different. List 1 is extended with all the elements of the list 2, right? Here list 2 is not inserted, not added. All elements of the list 2 is added to list 1. So list 1 is extended with the elements of the list 2. This is extend method. I hope you understand what is the difference between append method and extend method. So we can insert or append any Python object into the list, but these operations are not possible with the tuple. This is only possible with the list. Now you see index method. I think this index method I told you in the strings. Find or find index or index. Find method or find method. Index method or index method, right? So it is for searching the value and gives you the index where it is actually located. Where 9 is located, 0, 1, 2, 2 index. This gives you 2 is the output. Because the value 9 is first occurrence of the value 9 is located at the index 2. Reverse method. Original list is modified. It reverses all the elements of the list. After reversing, I am printing what is original list. Then I am searching for 8. You observe here, the first occurrence of the 9 is available at the 2. Reverse method made your list in reverse order. Reverse order in the sense not descending order. Available elements, it just make reverse. So after it reversed, I am searching for 8. Where is the first occurrence of the 8? 7 index location. This is the reverse method and index method. I hope all of you understand about it. This is the list slicing, same like a string slicing once you go through. This is list slicing, tuple slicing. You can make it. Okay. Understand, guys? This is the list. Here you see 6 colon 12, 6 index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 index, 7 index, 8 index, 9 index, 10 index, 11 index, this much. 1 colon 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 colon 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 colon 4 to until end of the list. 1 colon 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because here by default step is 1. Here exclusively I give step 1. This and this both are same. When I give step 2 with the list with the string, already we understand this is slicing technique. Okay. 1 colon 9, step 2. 1 index, step 2, 3 index, step 2, 5 index, step 2, 7 index. This is the output, right? So this gives you total list. This gives you list in reverse order. Here reverse index goes for reverse directional reading. This already we discussed in the string. The same way, absolutely same way it works on the list. Just once you run it and observe the output. Okay. Just you do one thing, make it as a tuple. The tuple slicing is also absolutely the same. String slicing, list slicing, tuple slicing is absolutely same. No difference at all. See here, this is tuple slicing. So string slicing with the collection of characters, list slicing with the collection of elements, tuple slicing also with the collection of elements. This is slicing technique. You can operate with the list and tuple. Of course, in the arrays also, in the NumPy also, we do use this slicing technique. You have to carefully practice this. It is one of the important thing. And next you see sort method. Sort method is used to arrange the list in a sorting order. Now run it and observe. Is it arranged in sorting order, ascending order or not? Okay. Okay. So this is a simple sort method. Just you see here. This is simple sort method. Observe. This is arranged in ascending order. If you want descending order, if you want it in descending order, you give the attribute, that is a parameter, reverse is equal to true. This gives you reverse sorting order, that is a descending order. I hope all of you clear about this sort function. Okay. This is unpacking the list. How many elements are there in the list? 4 elements are there. That list I am assigning to 4 variables. So each value will be assigned to a variable. This is unpacking the list. After that, original list is as it is. No change in the original list. Okay. This is about list, totally about list. Just finally observe this list comparison. List 1, list 2, list 3. List 1 is equal to list 2. Yes, they are absolutely same. Order is also the same. That's why it gives you true. List 1 is equal to list 3. Of course, elements are there, but order is different. So it gives you false. Here I am using slicing technique. List 1. Starting point is not specified. So beginning of the list. Ending point is length divided by 2. Length is 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 0, 1, 2. This is what the slicing. List 3. So starting point is length divided by 2. Length is 6 divided by 2 is 3. That is the starting point. Ending point is not specified. This much. So first half of the list 1 and the second last half of the list 3 both are equal. Yes, they are equal. That's why it gives you true. Got it? So like this, you can work with the list object. This is all about lists. I hope all of you comfortable about list. Any questions about the list? Please let me know. Yeah, okay, fine. Now quickly let us go through tuple. Now once you comfortably understand the list, tuple is absolutely same. Only the thing is tuple is read only. Tuple cannot be modified. any operation that trying to modify the original list or elements, tuple or elements, that kind of operations are not possible on the tuple. Just you look at this tuple. So making the tuple, already we understood. Accessing the tuple, tuple is the type, tuple memory model. Okay, while loop, iterating the tuple using while loop, iterating the tuple using for loop. These all things yesterday we understood. I am trying to modify an element. This is not allowed with the tuple. It gives an error. Okay. So len function gives you length. 19 indexed item is not available in the tuple. It gives you error, same like list. This is tuple slicing. Already we understood. This is tuple unpacking. Already list unpacking, same like just like list unpacking. This is tuple unpacking. Unpacking the list, unpacking the tuple, both are same. There are 4 elements in the tuple. So I'm assigning to 4 variables. So each value goes to each variable. That is unpacking the tuple. Okay. Now you people try to understand this. These are the couple of examples, very important for us. Just try to understand this. What is this? You tell me. What is this? What is this? List of tuples, right? List of tuples, right? Okay. It is list of tuples, but observe carefully. It looks like employees data, zeroth indexed, all zeroth indexed element of the tuples is employee number, all one indexed elements is employee name, or two indexed elements are salary, or all three indexed elements are age. It is just like a tabular content, a tabular data accommodated in the structure, that is a list of tuples, right? So I'm printing employees. What type of object it is? Employees is a list that is iterable, that is a list of tuples, so that I am iterating one by one record, I am able to access. Those are tuples. Very simple to understand, right? Okay. Understand. I hope all of you clear about this. Let us go to the next program. Look at this program. This is also employees list of tuples. This is also employees list of tuples. Here sorted is the function. This is not a method. This is not a method. This is the sorted function. Okay. This sorted function takes the collection object. It arrange all elements in sorting order, returns a new list object. So suppose if you does not give reverse is equal to true, by default it is ascending order. If you want descending order, reverse is equal to true. So employees is the list object. Elements of the list object is arranged in sorting order, that is reverse order. But if you observe carefully, these are not simple integers. These are tuples. Employee is a list object, that is list of tuples. How the sorting operation is performed? Please observe sort criteria. Initially, first sort criteria is zeroth indexed element. Suppose zeroth indexed element is duplicated. Suppose zeroth indexed element is duplicated, right? Then what happens when the zeroth indexed element is duplicated? Extend to the combination of one indexed element, zeroth indexed element and one indexed element combination. If this combination is also duplicated, extend to the two indexed element. Suppose this combination is also duplicated, extend to the next indexed element, right? So first sort criteria, second sort criteria, same way. Here you observe descending order. First, based on the employee number 1239, descending order. Okay. 1238, 1238, 1238 duplicated. So extended to employee name 1238 Amanda, again duplicated. So extended to salary, based on the salary it is descending order. After that 1237, after that 1236, after that 1235, 1235 Samantha 40,000, combination is duplicated. So based on the age. Got it? This is sorted function. This sorted function does not disrupt the original object. It creates a new object. Okay, that we can iterate using for loop. This is what sorted. I hope all of you comfortably understood about this sorted function. After understanding the sorted function, at this point, you're supposed to get a question or doubt or an idea. Here it is okay. I'm going with default sorting criterias. But suppose I want to arrange in sorting order based on salary. I want to specify my own sort criteria. I want sorting based on the name. Something like that. I want to specify my own sorting criteria. Directly, it is not possible. We have to use the lambda expression. We have to use lambda expression. So what is lambda expression? Let us understand lambda expression. That itself is known as the lambda function. Lambda expression makes a function no name function. Function does not have name. That is what lambda function, that itself is the lambda expression, nothing special. Just once you observe the syntax, you supposed to write a lambda keyword. Lambda keyword. Lambda keyword is used to make a lambda function. Lambda keyword. After that, parameters. You can specify parameters. You can specify arguments. Suppose A, comma, B, comma, C. These are arguments. Colon. So before colon is the specification. Before colon is the specification. After colon is the expression. A multiplied with B to the power of C, something like that. Any expression you can write, operation. So using these parameters, anything you want to calculate, that calculation you can write. So before colon is the specification, after colon is the expression. All together, this is the syntax for making a lambda expression. This returns a function object. What actually this returns? This returns a function object. So generally we call it as lambda function, lambda expression. Lambda expression is a function object like this. Okay. See, if statement. Yesterday, all of you people understood if statement. Something R is equal to true if 10 is greater than 21, else false. Like this I can give. This is ternary operator in Python. A single line expression, single line statement. Here R is false. R is false, right? Something R is equal to 100 if 1 is less than 2, else 500. Okay, what happened? This is actually the space problem. Let you see. Now what is R? 100. This is single line if condition, single line expression, ternary operator, generally we call it as. Similarly, instead of writing a function body and everything, the simple things we can write as a lambda expression. Several situations we can use it effectively. This lambda returns a function object. So this lambda you are assigning to something that is going to be a function object. You can call it as a function. You can call it as a function, right? Just observe the example here. Look at this. F is equal to, F is a reference variable. This lambda xyz, x plus y multiply with z. This is a lambda expression. This returns a function object. F is referencing that function object. So F is the lambda function. Okay, fine. Now F of 3, 5, 7. 3 goes to x. 5 goes to y. 7 goes to z, right? Then calculated, it gives the result. Result goes to R, right? Result goes to R. Just you run it and observe this. What is the result? This is a function, lambda function. This does not have name. The function is the reference. F is the reference variable. That's it. It is a function object. So I'm calling the function. So it will be executed and get the result. This is a lambda expression or lambda function. All of you comfortably understood about this lambda function, lambda expression? Any confusion, any question, please ask me right now. All of you understand about lambda? At this moment, if you have any questions. Comfortable, right? Okay, let us see next example. Look at this. Try to understand this. L1 is the list. T1 is the tuple. So key is the lambda function, lambda of x. X is the parameter. The parameter can be any Python object. X is a Python object. In that I am taking 3 elements. So T1 tuple key is the function. T1 tuple I am passing as a parameter. So X is referencing T1. So 3 indexed item 0, 1, 2, 3. 25 is the output. If you give L1 here, I'm passing list object as a parameter. 3 indexed item 0, 1, 2, 3. 45 is the output. Like this, you can use lambda expressions. And you observe here, key, same thing, lambda of x. X is the parameter, x of 2 indexed element, that is a key. So E1 is employee 1, E2 is employee 2. Key of E1 is greater than key of E2. 2 indexed element, salary. Employee 1 salary is greater than employee 2 salary. It gives you true. This is how we are using lambda expressions. This lambda expression we can use, we can specify for our sort criteria. Observe, this is the sorted function. Employees is the list object. Key, this is the keyword parameter, that is the lambda expression I specified. 3 indexed element. What is the 3 indexed element? 0, 1, 2, 3. Age. Now this arranges in a descending order based on the age. See, based on the age, it arrange in a descending order. Suppose you give 2, based on salary, it arrange in a descending order. Salary is the sort criteria now. 1, if you give 1, based on the name, it arranges in a descending order, right? This is how we can use lambda expression in the sort function. Similar to the sort function, we have max function to get the highest value record, min function to get the lowest value record. In those functions also we use lambda expression. See here, max function 2 index 0 1 2 based on salary, highest paid employee record. Using max function you are able to get it, right? Similarly, you can use a min function, lowest paid employee record. Using min function you are able to get it, but you have to specify key. For specifying, it is salary based operation, max or min. This is what lambda expressions, sorted function, max function, min function. This is how we can work with tuples, list of tuples. It can be either list of tuples or tuple of tuples. So list of tuples, tuple of tuples, tuple of lists, anything is possible. List of lists, anything is possible. This is all about list and tuple. All of you clear about list object and tuple object? List object and tuple object. I hope all of you comfortable. And any questions about list and tuple? Take now 5:15 is the time. Take 15 minutes break. So today we'll discuss a set. We will discuss a set. We'll complete set today. And also I will introduce a dictionary. What about the dictionary I will introduce today. So tomorrow collection objects, dictionary and collection objects. Tomorrow we complete these data structures. Today further we'll see set object and introduction of the dictionary. So take 15 minutes break. Okay. Okay, all of you, please wait.
This conference will now be recorded.
Yesterday, the basics of the set we understood. Set is unordered collection of unique set of items. Mainly, this set is for set operations. So, how to make a set? This we understood. Empty set, how to make empty set, set with single item, set does not allow duplicates. The type is a class set, set is also Python object. So set does not support indexing, so this is not possible. Accessing the elements using index is not possible. So while loop also not possible. Only for loop is possible. Set is iterable. It is also a collection object. So for loop is possible. This much we understood yesterday. Of course, set is mutable. Adding elements to the set, removing elements from the set is possible. You see, add is the function, add is the method of the set, is used to add an element to the set. Of course, placement of the item, no guarantee. Just execute this and try to understand. Initially, set is 594 I have given, but it has taken 945. So it is unordered collection. It does not allow duplicates, already we know. a new item 45 is added into the set. This is located here. New item 32 is added into the set. Then set is like this. New item 7 is added into the set like this. So add method is used to add a new item into the set. Remove method is used to remove an item from the set. So this is the set actually. From that I want to remove 45. 45 is the value I want to remove. Then after I want to remove the value 5, just observe the output. So I have given collection of items like this, making a set. So set is created like this. Order of the items is not in our control. It is unordered. From this 45 is deleted. Then after 5 is deleted, right? Finally, this is what the set. The item 6 is not available in the set. If I try to delete, it gives an error, that is key error. 6 is not available. It is a key error in case the item is not available. This is the remove method. We have another method, discard. Discard method is similar to remove method. Remove method gives an error if the item is not available in the set, but discard method does not give an error. Please observe, this is the set. I'm discarding 45. After that I am discarding 5. Okay, just observe, it is same as remove method. 45 is removed due to this discard method because 45 is exist in the set. After that I am removing 5. So 5 is discarded because it is exist. After that this is a set. 6 is not available. I am trying to remove using a discard method, but still it does not give any error, but it doesn't remove anything. This is only the difference between remove method and discard method. So other than that, behavior of the remove method and discard method is almost the same. Add method is used to add a new item into the set. Remove method is used to remove an item from the set. Discard method is also used to remove an item from the set. In case the item is not available, remove method gives an error. Discard method does not give an error. Then you see pop method. Already in the list object we understood pop method. Pop method remove an item. It works based on index. It returns the removed item. But now it is not a list, it is a set. Set does not support index. And already I told you, if you remember, set does not support index that starts from 0, negative index starts from -1. Such index is not supported. But internally, it follows the arbitrary index generated by the hash function. According to that arbitrary index, the order of the items arrangement will be. But here you are using pop method that deletes always the first item in the set. See, this is the set. This is how the set is created. I'm executing the pop method. It deletes the first located item 32. After deleting 32, this is the set. So pop method returns the deleted item, that is 32. Here I am capturing the return value. That's why I'm able to print it. In this case, I'm not capturing the return value. This is up to us. Whether you capture the return value or not capture the return value doesn't matter. If you required the value returned by the pop method, you can capture it. If you don't require, don't capture it. So here next first item 4 is deleted. So next first item 5 is deleted. So pop method always deletes the first located item and returns the deleted item. This is the pop method on the set. Okay. So update method. Next one is update method. Please observe this is st1 set1. This is st2 set2. There are two set objects I created. The set1 st1 I am updating with st2 st1 dot update. So here st1 gets updated by taking the elements from st2. See, this is st1 32 4 5 7 9 45. These are the elements in st2. The elements in the st2 must be added to st1. 4 is already available, so set does not allow duplicates, it ignores. 7 is already available, set does not allow duplicates, so this is ignored. 8 is not already available in set 1, so added. 43 not already available, so added. 11 is not already available, so added. 23 is not already available, so added. Finally, after update method, what is st1? You observe, set 1 is updated by taking all elements from st2. This is update method. This is update method. And set is iterable. Set is also collection object. It is iterable, so we can iterate the set using for loop. Set is also collection object, so we can unpack the set. This is a set unpacking. This is set unpacking. 1 2 3 4 4 items are available in the set. I am assigning the set to the 4 different variables, so values are assigned to the individual variables like this. This is set unpacking. Mainly this set object is mainly for mathematical sets, to perform the mathematical set operations. You know the set operations: union, intersect, minus, union, intersect, and difference. Is disjoint, is subset, is superset. These are the methods exclusively for set operations. So here you observe what is st1, what is st2. st1 is 3 4 5 6. Try to understand. This is a set st1. This is another set st2. What is st1? 3 4 5 6. What is st2? 5 9 6 8. So 5 6 are the common values. 5 and 6 are the common values. 3 4 only present in set 1. 3 4 present in set 1. And 8 9 present in set 2. 8 9 present in set 2. So here union is the method. Pipe symbol is the union operator. So either you can use union method or you can use a pipe symbol, that is union operator. What will be the output of union? 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. This all together is the union operator output. So all items from set 1 and set 2, this is union operator output 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. All values together, set 1, set 2 without duplicates. This is union. If you want duplicates, just concatenate using plus symbol. Intersection, only common values. Either you can use intersection method or you can use and ampersand operator. This is intersection operator. What is the output of intersection in this case? 5, 6 is the intersection. 5, 6 is the intersection, right? This is the output of the intersection. Okay. Difference, S1 dot difference. Either you can use a difference method or you can use a minus operator. That is a difference. Output of the difference is the values exclusively present in set 1 only. That is a difference or minus. So just observe the output of the difference or minus operator. These are the set operations. The set, the object, Python object set is mainly meant for this set operations. Okay. Next, you see the methods is disjoint, is subset, is superset. Just observe, this is set 1. This is set 1. What are the values of set 1? 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are the set 1. Then what is set 2? 4, 5, 6. What is set 3? 8, 9, 7. These are the 3 set objects I created. Is disjoint, S1 is disjoint S3. What is S3? 8, 9, 7. This is set 3, 8, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. This is set 3. Even one value is also not matching. Set 1 is having absolutely different set of items. Set 3 is having absolutely different set of items. So disjoint returns true. Even a single item is matching, that is not disjoint. So it returns false. Here one item also not matching. There is no common items. Set 1 is absolutely different set of items. Set 3 is absolutely different set of items. That's why is disjoint true. Set 2 is a subset of S1. What is set 2? 4, 5, 6. So in this diagram, if you understand what is set 2, this is set 2. Set 2 is totally inside the set 1. Set 2 is totally inside the set 1. So set 2 is a subset of set 1. Set 1 is a superset of set 2. See, set 2 is a subset of set 1, gives you true. Set 1 is a superset of S2, gives you true. I think you understand is disjoint method, is a subset method, is a superset method that you observed, right? As of now, any doubts, any questions on the set? So far we discussed the set object. All of you comfortable about this set object so far, right? Set operations, union, intersection, difference, is disjoint, is subset, is superset. All of you comfortable? And as I told you, set allows only hashable Python objects. It does not allow unhashable Python objects. Look at this. LST1 is a list. ST1 is a set. In this ST1, first element is tuple, second element is list, third element is tuple, fourth element is tuple, fifth element is tuple. Tuple is hashable, so it is allowed in the set, but list is unhashable, so it is not allowed in the set. It gives an error, unhashable type list, type error, right? So in these type of situations, I have to convert the list into tuple. Because list and tuple almost the same, I have to convert that into tuple. Now these all become as tuples, right? So it is allowed. Only hashable Python objects are allowed in the set. And the set itself is unhashable, I told you. So this is the set object 1, 2. So inside the set, I have tuple, tuple. This is the set again, tuple, tuple. So this also gives you error. Why? Because unhashable type set. So this set is unhashable, but I want a set only over there. So in this case, I will convert the set into frozen set. What is a frozen set? Frozen set is nothing but a set only. The frozen set is hashable addition of the set object. Normal set is unhashable. Frozen set is hashable. So it is allowed. Frozen set is allowed, right? Just you observe here. See, this is what? This is a dictionary. Then I'm converting that into values. I'm converting into frozen set. That is different. This is a list. The list I am converting into set using set function. The same list I am converting into frozen set. Frozen set is also iterable. It is just like a set. The frozen set you can convert back to set. You see, this is the list. That list I converted into set. This is the set. The same list I converted into frozen set. This is the frozen set. Frozen set is iterable, as simple as set. So this is I'm iterating using for loop. The frozen set, I wanted it as an ordinary set, so that I converted back to set, so it become as a normal set. This is a frozen set. See, day 1 is the set. So that I am converting into frozen set. So set and frozen set almost the same, no difference. Only the difference is set is unhashable, frozen set is hashable, right? Set is unhashable, frozen set is hashable. So wherever inside the set is not allowed, so I can convert that into frozen set. This is what regarding frozen set. Frozen set is same like set, that is iterable. Unordered collection of unique set of items. Unordered collection of unique set of items, that is frozen set. But frozen set is hashable, set is unhashable. That is the difference. Okay. Now let us see couple of scenarios. You look at this. Try to understand this. Let us assume that these are the account numbers who performed deposit operation on day 1. Even in real world bank account deposit transactions, if you observe, one account can perform multiple deposit operations in the day. The account can be perform multiple withdraw operations in the day. Whenever my question is who performed deposits on the day, the account number I will take only single time, even though multiple times they perform the deposit transactions. Today, this account did deposit transaction. So account number we take only one time. So at the time duplicate should be eliminated. So I take it as a set. This is day 2 account numbers who deposited on day 2. Day 3 account numbers who deposited on day 3. I am taking these 3 are sets. Day 1 is a set, day 2 is a set, day 3 is a set. Here I wanted customers who deposited on day 3 and day 1 but not day 2. This is the answer. Customers who deposited all the 3 days. This is the answer. Customers who did deposits at least 2 days out of 3 days. So here day 1 and day 3 intersection minus day 2. Here all the 3 days, day 1 intersection day 2 intersection day 3. Here either 2 days, day 1 intersection day 2 union day 1 intersection day 3 union day 2 intersection day 3. Like this, we can use set operations in realistic manner. Got it? These are the 3 different sets. This is what about sets. How to work with the sets in Python. I hope all of you understand the set, the list object, tuple object, and set object. I hope all of you understood. If any doubts or any questions about set, list, tuple, set, please let me know. If anybody is having any questions about it. All of you comfortable so far? Data structures, list object, tuple object, and set object. All of you comfortable? Okay, fine. Next, we are going to next object, dictionary. We are going to understand next object, dictionary. What is a dictionary? What I told you about a dictionary? Dictionary is a collection of key value pairs, right? Okay. Just you see this example. Yeah. Let you see this example. This is a list. This is none other than list. Okay. This is actually temperatures.
సునామీలు వస్తేనే ఏమైనా అవుతుంది లేదంటే ఏం కాదు మామూలుగా అవి కూడా రావు ఇక్కడ అంత స్ట్రాంగ్ అంటే ఇలాంటివి వస్తే ఇంకేం.
Okay. This is the list. This is actually list of values, list of temperatures of a week, 7 days temperatures. This is temperatures of a week, 7 days. Okay, fine. Now I want to know what is the temperature of Thursday. Thursday temperature I want to take. How can I extract the Thursday temperature from this? How can I extract Thursday temperature from this list? Exercising towards this, we will get a lot of questions. First question is, where should I begin? Sunday or Monday? Sunday is the starting day of the week, or should I begin with Monday? Monday is the starting day of the week. That is big confusion. So for this, manually, you have to talk to the person who recorded these temperatures. Okay, you did it. He confirmed that I begin from Sunday. Beginning of the week is Sunday. But still, you require a translation to be performed manually. 0 for Sunday, 0 index for Sunday, 1 index for Monday, 2 index for Tuesday, 3 index for Wednesday, 4 index for Thursday. This manually processing, manual understanding is required. So these kind of situations, handling using the list object is not perfect. See, 3 index, 0 for Sunday, 1 for Monday, 2 for Tuesday, 3 for Wednesday, 4 for Thursday. If you want Thursday temperature, you have to take it 4 index 1. But as per the coding and coding flexibility or simplified way of extracting the data correctly, this list is not comfortable. List is not comfortable. So what we'll do, we'll make a dictionary, right? See, DT is a dictionary. This is enclosed within curly brackets. Set is enclosed within curly brackets. Dictionary is also enclosed within curly brackets. But what is the difference? Set is collection of values. Dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. Sunday is the key. 34 is the value, temperature. Monday is the key. 32.5 is the value, temperature. Tuesday is the key. 33 is the value. Wednesday is the key. 35 is the value. Thursday is the key. 32 is the value. Key value, right? So dictionary is a key value pairs. The key, the given key itself, we can use as index, user defined index. Now I want Thursday temperature, DT of Thursday, very simple. This is a dictionary, collection of key value pairs. The what type of object it is? Class dict. Dictionary is also a Python object, it occupies memory. Thursday, directly I can access the key Thursday value, you'll get 32. So dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. The key itself act as an index. Dictionary does not support regular index, like index starts from 0, reverse index starts from -1. Such indexes are not supported. This works based on the user given, user specified index, that is nothing but a key value pairs. Key is the index. Okay. This is what dictionary, right? This is what dictionary. So you can make an empty dictionary. This is how we can make an empty dictionary. In the set already we understood, curly brackets open and close. This makes empty dictionary. Using a dict conversion function also, you can make an empty dictionary. This is how making an empty dictionary. Okay. Here, key, as a key, you can specify any hashable Python object allowed as a key. Here, if you observe, key is integer. In the next dictionary, if you observe, key is a string. Of course, anything is okay. As a key, you can use any hashable Python object. These restrictions are not applicable on value. Value can be anything, any Python object. Okay. So just you observe here, integer 2 is the key. It will get the value TWO2 string. Here key is the Chennai. It will get the value of it. This is how simply we can work with the dictionary. Dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. Okay. Next you see D1 is dictionary. This is a fruit dictionary. Mango 30, banana 45, peach 30. Fruit and its quantity. Fruit and its quantity. Student ID and student marks grade, right? So student ID, its grade. Student ID, its grade. It is key value pair. We can make it as a dictionary. Student name and age. Student name and age. We can make it as a dictionary. Wherever you have pair, key value pair, we can make it as a dictionary. So this is a dictionary. D1 is a dictionary, right? This you already understood. Empty dictionary. This you already understood. See here, this is a dictionary. The same thing, whatever is there in the PyCharm, same thing I am showing here. So mango 30, banana 45, peach 35. This is dictionary D1. What I am doing here, D1 is the dictionary object. D1 of orange is equal to 40. I am assigning a value to the orange. Is the key orange already available in dictionary D1? No, it is not already available in the dictionary D1. So that it adds a new key value pair, new element into the dictionary. Just observe here, orange 40, new element, new key value pair is added into dictionary. Please observe, this is how we add a new item into dictionary. Next, what I am trying to do, I am reading mango. Mango is available. What is its value? 30. I am reading mango. It gives you the value 30. Next, banana is equal to 100. Please observe, is banana already available? Yes, banana is already available. Existing value is 45. Now I am assigning new value 100. So the key banana value is updated, modified. Now banana become new value 400, right? Banana keys as it is, because it is already exist, its value is got modified. Here orange is not already available, so new key value pair is added. Got it? This is the dictionary operations we can do. Let you observe, this is the dictionary. Let you observe, this is the dictionary. Here we have mainly 3 dictionary methods: dictionary keys, values, items. Keys is the method. Please observe, this is the dictionary. This is my dictionary. Okay. Here, what is the method I am operating? D1.keys. This keys method returns dict keys. This keys method returns dict keys. The dict keys is nothing but similar to list only, but it will get only keys from the dictionary. This is the key, it will get it, comma. Mango is the key, we take it, comma. Then banana is the key. So it is a list of the keys from the dictionary. List of the keys from the dictionary. This is dict keys. This is dict keys, output of the keys method. Similarly, values method. Similarly, values method. Values method gives you dict values. Dict values. It is a list. Only values. It will get only values. List of the values. 100, comma, 30, comma, 15, comma, 20. Right? Only values from the dictionary. Right? So 100, 30, 15, 20. Right? This is dict values. And another method is d1.items, items of the dictionary, that gives you dict items, So see, these are the items of the dictionary. It will be converted those items into tuples. See, orange 100 is an item. This is going to be a tuple like this. Okay. Mango 30 is an item. This is going to be a tuple. Banana 15 is an item. This is going to be a tuple. Peach 20 is an item. This is going to be a tuple. This is the output of dict items. This is output of dict items, right? So just once you observe here, what is the keys method? What is the values method? Dict keys, dict values, dict items. Of course, dictionary D1. This is a dictionary D1. Dictionary is collection object. Dictionary is iterable. When you are iterating the dictionary, we will get keys into iteration variable I. We will get keys into iteration variable I, right? Let us see this here. See here. Now I am just printing I. What is I value when I am iterating dictionary? Keys, orange, mango, banana, peach. First iteration, orange is the I value. Next iteration, mango is the I value. Next iteration, banana is the I value. Next iteration, peach is the I value. I am getting the keys. I want values. So once the key is in your hand, getting the values is not a big deal. D1 of I, it will get the value, right? Like this, you can simply iterate dictionary using a for loop. Okay. Dict items you can iterate. Dict items you can iterate because dict items is a list. So it gives you one by one tuple. Dict items, right? It gives you one by one tuple. This dict items gives you tuple. Tuple contains two values. I'm unpacking. Yes, you can unpack. Keys you can send into a different variable. Value you can send into a different variable, right? Understand? So please observe here. What is this? List of lists. but list of lists is compatible to the structure dictionary. So using dict function, we can convert into dictionary. So now it will become as a dictionary. Using dict function, you can convert these kind of structures. Those are compatible to the dictionary should be converted into dictionary using dict function. See, this is a list of tuples. Here also structure is compatible to the dictionary, that I am converting into dictionary using dict function. I am getting dictionary object. Here you see this is tuple of tuples. Still, this is compatible to the dictionary structure. Using dict function, I am converting this into dictionary object. Okay, this is how you can convert the things into dictionary. Okay, this is just a basic understanding about the dictionary. So DT1, what is DT1? DT1 is a dictionary: mango, banana, peach. DT2 is a dictionary: orange, grape, mango. Update method, I am updating dictionary. Update method, DT1 update, I am updating dictionary 1 with DT2, dictionary 2. So all the items of the dictionary 2 should be added into dictionary 1. So orange 50. Orange, key orange already available in dictionary 1? No. So orange 15 new item is added into the dictionary 1. Grape 34, grape, key grape, is it already available in DT1? No, it is not available. So grape 34 added as a new item. Mango 80, is the key mango available? Yes, it is already available. So it will modify the item, existing value gets modified. After update, this is what your dictionary 1, dictionary 2 is as it is. See, orange 50, grape 34 is added, mango is modified. This is update method of the dictionary, right? This is just a basic understanding about dictionary. Okay, see here, this is list of lists converted into dictionary, list of tuples converted into dictionary, tuple of tuples converted into dictionary. Okay, so here update method, dictionary get updated. Here also update method, HYD 1234 MUM. BLR not available, so add. Delhi not available, so add. HYD is already available, so update. HYD is updated, right? This is update method. So couple of more dictionary operations are there. Get method is there, pop method is there, pop item method is there. Okay, couple of more things we have to understand about dictionary. These things we continue tomorrow. The dictionary further you continue tomorrow, and as well tomorrow we will understand about counter object, default dictionary, DQ, heap queue, ordered dictionary. These collection objects also we continue discussing tomorrow. Tomorrow we complete a data structures chapter, then we go to functions chapter. Okay, so any questions as of now, as of today? Please, if anybody is having any questions, please ask me. All of you comfortable so far?
Yes.
Okay, fine. And today's video also I do upload. I think already I sent you this data structures. Did I send you in the mail?